how it looks towards the end. Please keep in mind that if you do not like it, it's fine. This is my style. But if the top is too loose on you, use needle and thread to take it in. I don't need to use needle and thread because I'm chubby, so it holds up on its own. Far as the back part, you could either cut it with scissors or you could tuck the part on the inside, which is what I'm showing you now. I didn't cut the back because obviously I have a design on the back. So yeah, this is something that I like to do. Instead of me purchasing new denim tops, I just like to use what I already have and transform it into another outfit. Again, if you don't like it, this is my style. I'm just giving you guys examples on what you can do with your old denim. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. And if you recreate this look or choose to share this video, please do so. But please give me credit. And again, thank you so much for watching the Hangout. I'll see you all next Sunday. Bye.